This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and Windows updates are applied so Directx components are stable. Once done, back up the FIFA 23 configuration folder to a safe location so you can revert quickly. Now close the EA app or Steam entirely and run the client as administrator. This prevents permission issues when you add launch parameters or edit config files, and it gets you straight into the first actionable changes. Next, set the game to use DirectX 11 by adding the appropriate launch option in your client. For Steam or the EA app, add DX11 to the game's launch parameters. This forces the runtime switch at startup. Then open FIFA 23 configuration file in documents/EA Sports/FIFA 23 and change the graphics API entry to DirectX 11 or set the DX12 boolean to false. Save and ensure the file isn't marked read-only. These changes make the client initialize with DX11 instead of DirectX 12. Finally, verify game file integrity in your client to ensure no corrupted files, and then launch FIFA 23. Open the in-game graphics info to confirm it reports DirectX 11. If the game fails to start or crashes, immediately remove the DX11 flag and restore your backed up config, then retry to isolate the change. If problems persist, update or roll back GPU drivers and reinstall the DirectX runtime libraries. These steps resolve most compatibility issues while switching APIs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.